Hi guys, let's see how to fix printer error 1260 on Windows 11 computer. So I have pasted this path. You just copy this from the description of this video and press Windows and R key together to open run. Okay, just press Windows and R key to open this run command box. Right click and paste this newly pasted copied path from the description, msdt.exe/id PrinterDiagnostic. Click on OK and it will open the troubleshooter. Click on advanced to make sure that apply repairs automatically is selected. Now click on next and it will try to detect any printer related problem for errors or any missing configuration files. Let it run for few seconds. Now it will ask you for which printer would you like to troubleshoot. So select your printer. I am selecting my printer. Click on next. Now based on the analysis, it may give you a result that you should apply this fix, but in my case there was not any problem, so it could not identify the problem. But here you can find apply this fix. Just click on apply the fix and after that your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us and thanks for watching the key.